If you feel lost right now, do not wait until you have your whole life figured out before you move, because sometimes direction does not come before the first step. Sometimes direction comes after it. Welcome to the trail. In this series, we are going to take real lessons from the trail and apply them to the way we will rebuild our lives. Most of the time, clarity is not something we receive while standing still. Clarity is something we discover while moving. You begin to trust yourself again. Maybe I am not as stuck as I thought. Maybe one step is enough to begin. That is progress. And when you connect progress to purpose, you begin moving differently. You start choosing. And still, you keep walking. Why? Because the path reveals itself as you move. That is not just a trail lesson. That is a life lesson. And when you take that step, something begins to change. Not always outside of you at first. Sometimes inside of you. And today, the lesson is simple. If you feel lost, start walking. Not running, not panicking, not pretending, just walking. When you are on a trail, you usually cannot see the entire path from the beginning. You might see the next curve, the next hill, the next few steps, but not every mile. You begin to trust yourself again. You begin to build momentum. You begin to realize, maybe I am not as stuck as I thought. Maybe one step is enough to begin. You stop waiting for life to hand you perfect conditions. You start owning the step in front of you. And that is where direction begins. Some people are waiting for the whole mountain to reveal itself before they take one step. But POP is not about needing the whole mountain today. POP is about the next useful step. Now let me be clear. Starting to walk does not mean ignoring pain. It does not mean pretending everything is fine. Sometimes the first step is simply admitting the truth. I feel lost. I feel tired. I do not know what comes next. That honesty is not weakness. That honesty may be the beginning of ownership. Because once you tell the truth, you can stop performing. And once you stop performing, you can start rebuilding. The trail does not ask you to be perfect. It only asks you to keep moving. One step, then another, then another. And over time, something happens. The person who felt lost starts to become a person with direction. Not because they had every answer, but because they stopped standing still. And once you start moving, something else happens. You begin to notice what standing still could never teach you. The trail changes beneath your feet, and it asks you to pay attention. A set of tracks in the mud, a branch bending in the wind, water choosing its way downhill. None of it gives the whole answer, but every sign gives you information. Then the weather changes. Wind rises. Rain reaches the trail. That does not always mean you chose the wrong path. Sometimes the path is simply asking you to adjust. Slow down. Check your footing. Take shelter when you need it. Rest is not surrender, and changing your pace is not quitting. Wisdom knows when to move and when to recover. And as the clouds begin to clear, you realize the trail has been teaching you all along. Direction grows through movement, attention, and honest adjustment. Now let us pause and find your next step. So here is your practical pop step for today. Ask yourself 3 questions. Number one, where do I feel stuck right now? Number 2, what answer am I waiting for before I move? And number 3, what is one honest step I can take today without having the whole plan? Do not overcomplicate it. Maybe it is making the phone call. Maybe it is going for the walk. Maybe it is writing down the truth. Maybe it is having the conversation. Maybe it is setting a boundary. Maybe it is applying for one opportunity. Maybe it is apologizing. Maybe it is simply getting up and trying again. Whatever it is, start walking. Because your life does not change only when the whole path is clear. It begins changing when you decide you are done standing still. And that is what the trail is about. Real life lessons, real progress, real purpose, one step at a time. Remember, your past does not get the final word. You do not need every answer today, and you do not need to see the whole path to take the next step. Keep moving forward, keep choosing purpose, and as always, keep climbing. If this helped you take one honest step today, like this video and subscribe to keep climbing with us. Your next step is waiting right here.